Welcome to the LiTime's channel, and here we will talk about the battery monitor and guide you how to set up. Let's begin with unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the battery monitor, designed for precise and real-time power tracking, a shunt, which acts as the key connector for accurate measurements, power wire and screwdriver, shielded wire for data transmission, mounting screw for installing, and finally, the user manual. Now, let's move on to installation and wiring. Step 1. Connect the shunt's B- side to the battery's negative terminal. Please note that the wiring terminals on the battery are M8, while the shunt terminals are M10. Step 2. Connect the negative terminals of the inverter and charger to negative busbar, so as the P- terminal of the shunt. This way ensures that all current flows through the shunt for accurate measurement. Step 3. Use the red power cable to connect to these two holes with screwdriver. This wire helps to power the shunt. Step 4. Take the positive wire of battery, inverter, charger, along with the red power cable. Connect to the bus bar, which call its positive wires. Then connect the positive terminal of battery to the bus bar. Step 5. Finally, connect the shunt and the battery monitor with this shielded wire. Double-check all connections to ensure they're secure and properly aligned. As you can see, the monitor now displays the battery's capacity, voltage, current, and power. Press and hold the light button to turn the backlight on or off. Now, let's configure your battery monitor for accurate readings. First, long press the set button to enter the settings interface. Adjust the battery capacity according to your system. The default setting is 100 amp hour. You can also find various voltage settings here, which you can adjust as needed for alarms, system shutdowns, and other requirements. Then, we have to make this monitor be able to recognize your battery and read it. So, here's how to synchronize the battery's capacity with the monitor. Fully charge your battery, and let stand for 15 to 30 minutes. Then long press the up button for 3 seconds. This sets the monitor to recognize the battery's full capacity. Thanks for watching our battery monitor installation guide. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product tutorials and updates. See you in the next video.